Our partner stakeholders, we welcome you to the launching program of the opening of Catayagan Caves.
Way back in the 2011, there was a Rotary Club that was open here in Sagara. It so happened that it was inactive because so maybe there are some reasons. But at least we are alive to see again the Rotary Club sitting between us here. Thank you for coming again.
Kami po ay parte ng Rotary Club of Marikina West. Ang Rotary po, to give you a background, ang Rotary po, ang ginagawa po niya, isa po itong organisasyon na nagsama-samang mga tao na nagboluntaryo, mga ordinaryo tao na nagboluntaryo para makatulong at magbigay suporta sa pangangailangan ng isang lugar.
Those are the projects that we've done in the past. And we're actually looking forward, Mayor, for more projects in this beautiful municipality of Sagara.
I'd like to take this opportunity for the blessings that you have given. Actually, sa dami-dami ng inyong mga programa, kasali pa ang Sagada na makakatanggap sa inyong mga programa. So, alam ko po na marami pa kayong matutulungan kagaya namin. So nga, dakil ay pasalamat. So ang kagtakuman, sinabara ay palakpak ng Rotary Club ay naida isang ay division ay paida kita po ay Sagada. Thank you, ma'am, and company.
Ito ang madalas na gamit namin kailangan kasi mahirap ng signal doon. Salam sa inyo. Pati kayo, Mayor. Thank you.